I'm Aaron Crane, and we have the beeps, the sweeps, and the creeps here on the input. Local hunters in the Canadian territory of Nunavut have reported unexplained sounds that appear to be coming from the Arctic sea floor. These sounds, described as pings, hums, and beeps, have attracted the attention of Canada's Department of National Defence, which dispatched a plane to investigate. The air crew performed various multi-sensor searches in the area, including an acoustic search for 1.5 hours, without detecting any acoustic anomalies. The crew did not detect any surface or subsurface contacts, but they did observe 2 pods of whales and 6 walruses in the area of interest. The strange sounds were heard throughout the summer. A government official from the region said the noise was emanating from the seafloor, and that it was happening in a major hunting area called Apollina, an area of open water surrounded by ice where sea mammals like to congregate. But this summer, hardly any animals appeared, prompting suspicion and a potential link. There is no shortage of theories. One suggestion is that Baffland Iron Mines Corporation, which previously conducted sonar surveys in the area, is back to its old tricks, but the company says it has not conducted any surveys nearby, nor does it have any equipment in the water. Another theory is that the sounds are being produced by construction, blasting, or hydrography, but Nunavut officials say no territorial permits have been issued for such work. One of the weirder theories is that Greenpeace, an environmental group, is deliberately generating the sounds to scare wildlife away from the rich hunting ground. Greenpeace denies the accusation. The CDND said submarines have not been ruled out as the source, but they consider it unlikely. So while theories abound, nothing has been proven yet. But they did observe 2 pods of whales and 6 there's a ladybug in here.